welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna share how I do my gel nails at home. I've been doing my nails at home since 5 to 6 months बोल सकते हो आप, on and off. I feel like अभी मैं थोड़ा better हो चुकी हूँ पहले से. Definitely need practice to be a little better. So I'm just gonna share everything that I have learned throughout the whole process. I do used to get my nails done पार्लर में जाके, नेल स्टूडियो में जाके प्रॉपर. आई थिंक वो मैंने 1 साल किया है और उसके बाद आई वॉन्टेड टू लर्न हाउ टू डू माई नेल्स एट होम. ए, इट्स कॉस्ट एफिशिएंट एंड बी उतना अच्छा वो मुझे जैसा चाहिए वैसे नेल आर्ट नहीं मिलता था. या आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू डू इट एट होम एंड आई फील लाइक आई एम हैप्पी विद माई प्रोग्रेस एंड दीज नेल्स लिटरली लास्ट मी फॉर 4 weeks. और उसके बीच में अगर मुझे ऐसा लगा कुछ भी लिफ्टिंग हो रहा है, आई हैव ऑल द टूल्स, आई कैन जस्ट फिक्स इट बाय माई सेल्फ एंड दे डेफिनेटली लास्ट मी सो मच लॉन्गर. आप देख ही सकते हो जो ये नेल्स मैंने किया था, इट लास्टेड मी 6 weeks बिकॉज ये वीडियो बनाने के लिए आई वॉज डीलेइंग इट क्वाइट अ वाइल एंड इट लास्टेड मी 6 freaking weeks. And I'm gonna share everything that I do to make sure that my nails last longer. These are gel overlays, by the way. I don't do extension. These are my natural nails. And उसके ऊपर मैं builder gel लगाती हूँ and then any nail art or nail color, whatever I want to do. So yeah, that's the process. I'm gonna walk you through everything. सारे products जो भी मैं use करती हूँ are from Amazon, so I'll link them as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. दिस इज वॉट वी आर वर्किंग विद. आप देख सकते हो काफी ज्यादा नेल ग्रोथ हो रखा है एंड दिस सेट लास्टेड मी फॉर 6 freaking weeks. There was no lifting, no nothing whatsoever. और ये सेट भी काफी प्यारा टर्न आउट हुआ था. But it's time to get them off. I have picked this e-file from Amazon और इसमें सारे attachments है जो भी आपको लगेंगे. Especially if you're a beginner, this is a great one to get. It is cordless और आपको चार्ज करना होगा. This is how the e-file looks like. It comes with this bit और ये perfect है to get rid of your old gel polish. It also comes with a bunch of other attachments that you can use. A lot of these buffers जो काफी ज्यादा यूज आते हैं. And some more drill bits. जो भी मैं यूज करने वाली हूँ वो पहले ही मैं साइड में रख लेती हूँ. ये काफी बेसिक मॉडल है, इसमें RPM सेट नहीं होता. You just have low, medium, high, which is perfect if you're a beginner. And उसके नीचे वाला button is to change the rotation if you want it to go clockwise or anti-clockwise. So let's start removing the old gel polish. I always start with low speed and मैं उसका rotation check करती हूँ if it's going in the right direction, and if yes, then I change the speed to high. Using an e-file is a little bit tricky. You definitely need a little bit of practice. मुझे भी लगा था, but practice does work. और थोड़ी देर बाद आप figure out कर लोगे. But if you don't want to use an e-file, don't want to invest in it, then you can use a buffer and buff the old gel polish. But it will take a lot of time. Obviously, this is electric, works faster. And it is very easy to overfile. जो नहीं करना है, you just need to get rid of 90% of the gel polish. Next, I'm going to use a big fluffy brush to remove the nail dust off. आपको नया खरीदना है, आप खरीद सकते हो. मैंने इसमें इन्वेस्ट नहीं किया बिकॉज आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ मेकअप ब्रशेस लाइंग अराउंड. बट उसके लिए डेडिकेटेड रखना, ये वापस अपने फेस पे मत यूज कर लेना. This is how my nails are looking after using the first nail bit. There is still a little bit of gel polish remaining, which is perfect. Next, I'm gonna change the nail bit to this buffer and buff my nails. ये सिर्फ लो स्पीड पे रखना है और स्लाइटली बफ करना है. जो बचा कुचा जेल पॉलिश है इस बिट से निकल जाएगा. एंड इट विल ऑल्सो मेक इट इवन ऑल अराउंड. नेचुरल नेल्स को भी मैं थोड़ा बफ करने वाली हूँ ताकि उसका शाइन निकल जाए. ये वीडियो फास्ट फॉरवर्डेड है, उतना फास्ट नहीं करना है. टेक योर टाइम, बी केयरफुल, डोंट हर्ट योरसेल्फ. ये प्रोसेस को टाइम लगता है. Dust off the nail dust. Finally, all the old gel polish is off and this is how my nails are looking. Definitely shaping की जरूरत है, so let's do that. For that, I'll be using this nail buffer. And nail shape में almond रखने वाली हूँ. That's what I like and prefer. I think it looks very classy, very elongated nails, which I love. Nail shape करने के बाद I'm gonna remove the buffing bit and replace it with this triangle long bit. Keep it on low and I'm going to use it to clean all the dirt and yellowness on the inside part. This definitely makes a huge difference. Next, I'm gonna use isopropyl alcohol. आप देख सकते हो 99.9% pure rubbing alcohol है. And I'm gonna pour this in a pump dispenser. This makes it so much more easier to use. You will also need lint-free nail wipes. You don't want to use cotton and have all that lint on your nails. I'm gonna use the rubbing alcohol and clean my nails properly, get rid of all that dust, dirt, grime. And after all that step, my nails look something like this. Now let's work on those cuticles. For that, you will need a cuticle remover. This will moisturize and make it softer for you to work in that area. And you will need a cuticle pusher as well. I have this manicure kit from Amazon and मैं ये use करने वाली हूँ to cut the dead cuticles off. काफी sharp भी है, so be careful. Apply a good layer of cuticle remover and give it some time and slightly start pushing it back as you see me doing in the video. और जो भी lifted extra skin है, that I'm gonna cut it off with that scissor. Please be extra careful, you don't want to cut yourself. As you can see, मेरे से थोड़ा cut हो गया, so be careful. And this is how my nails are looking after all that prep. Doing your nails at home is a time-consuming process. ये एक hand करने के लिए मुझे 1 से 1.5 hours easily लग गए. So be prepared. Let's start prepping our nails for the fun part. First, I'm going to use a dehydrator. This will get rid of any moisture or oil on my nails. ये आपको cure नहीं करना है. Next step, I'm going to use Shield's acid-free nail primer. ये स्टेप भी काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है फॉर लॉन्ग लास्टिंग नेल्स. बहुत ज्यादा भी नहीं अप्लाई करना है, एक पतला लेयर इज गुड इनफ. और ये भी मैं अप्लाई करती हूँ इन अ बैक एंड फोर्थ मोशन टू लाइक एच इट इन माई नेल्स. आप देख सकते हो वीडियो में. एंड दिस आई डेफिनेटली लाइक टू क्योर इट फॉर 60 सेकेंड्स. पहले मैं नहीं करती थी तो मेरे नेल्स लिफ्ट होते थे और बॉटल के पीछे लिखा है टू क्योर इट, सो आई डू इट. एंड ऑफ कोर्स टू क्योर इट यू विल नीड अ यूवी एलईडी लैम्प. ये वाला काफी अच्छा है, इसमें काफी ज्यादा टाइमर सेटिंग्स है. 10 सेकंड, 30 सेकंड, 60 सेकंड. देयर इज आल्सो वन व्हिच टेक्स 90 सेकंड जो स्लोली क्योर करता है, हीट स्पाइक नहीं होता. सो या आई एम गोना गो अहेड एंड क्योर इट फॉर 60 सेकंड्स. नेक्स्ट आई एम गोना अप्लाई Shield's का बेस जेल, अ नाइस पतला लेयर टू गिव योर नेल्स अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ. After you're done, always, and I mean always, use a flat brush like I'm doing in the video. Dip it in acetone or rubbing alcohol and clean anything that's on your skin. Do not cure gel polish on your skin. You will have skin diseases. I like to do this step after every gel application. And then go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. Always read the bottle. If it says 60 seconds, cure it for 60. If it needs 90 seconds, cure it for 90 seconds. Next, I'm going to use a BIB, that's builder in a bottle. This is going to help me create that structure on my nail, give it strength. I have it in this beautiful peachish pink color और ये थोड़ा consistency में thick होता है than the base gel. First, I'm going to apply a thin layer of this all over the nail. Don't cure it, and then I'm going to take a little bigger blob, place it in between where it needs that strength and create a nice apex. This is very important. इसके लिए भी थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस की जरूरत पड़ेगी to get a hang of it. And turn your finger upside down. This will help with that apex formation. क्योर करने से पहले एक बार चेक कर लेना if you're happy with the shape, if all the gel is settled properly, and then go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. And then move on to the next finger. ज़्यादा thick भी नहीं करना है. It should have a nice slope. It looks very natural. It gives your nails the strength it needs, especially longer nails. And once all the nails are done, I again cure it for 60 seconds. I quickly completed the other hand off camera and buffed it a little. Let's start with the nail art. First, I'm going to use black gel polish. Make sure to apply a nice thin coat of it उस दिन पता नहीं क्या हुआ था. I usually don't make such a mess while applying nail polish, but उस दिन लग ही नहीं रहा था properly. Of course, I went ahead and corrected it and removed everything that's on my skin. Go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. Usually darker nail polish does take a longer time, so you can cure it for 90 seconds as well. Next you will need a silver cat eye nail polish. मेरे पास plain one नहीं है. This one has a slight blue tint which will work. Go ahead and give it a nice coat of it. अभी cat eye को activate करने के लिए magnet की जरूरत पड़ती है. And I'm hovering it near the perimeter of my nail. इसको भी थोड़ा practice की जरूरत पड़ती है. थोड़ा आपको trial and error करना पड़ेगा to understand how that works. Basically, I want the particles to be activated in the middle. You can do a lot of things. You can do a Frenchie, you can do a proper cat eye, but I wanted this. और यार ये कितना प्यारा लग रहा है. I'm loving it. Next, I have picked a nice navy blue color by Shills. Is their 081 shade. अभी क्रिसमस आ रहा है तो आप रेड कोट कर सकते हो, ग्रीन कर सकते हो. You can choose whichever color you want and do a nice thin layer of this all over the nails. And look at that beauty. It's looking so beautiful. It's called glass nails, but this is reminding me of a beautiful starry night. That's exactly what I wanted to create. And of course, we need to seal it all off with a shiny top coat. I'm gonna cure this for 90 seconds as well. Let me quickly complete my other hand as well, and I'll be back for the final result. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. Also, क्या आपको ये nail set पसंद आया? Let me know in the comments down below. सारे product के link मैंने description में दे दिए हैं. Don't forget to check it out. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.